in this chapter about the environment of Photoshop. Let's go to the folder called Navigation. Then let's open the photo of the beach, just like that. In this lesson, the goal is to learn how to navigate over the image with Photoshop. You will learn the basics of the navigation. So the easiest way to navigate is to go to the left and choose the zoom tool right here. Now, as you can see, there is a plus sign on the zoom tool. Then if I click, as you can see, I zoom in. Just one click and I zoom in. It's as simple as that. Now if I press down the Alt key or Option on Mac, a minus sign appears on the zoom tool, and if I click, obviously I can zoom out. Each time I click, I zoom out. If I click, I zoom out again, just like so. So this is the easiest way to zoom in or zoom out. That's the first way. Then let me show you the second way, the way that I use. I press down the Alt key or Option on Mac, then scroll the mouse wheel up, just like so, to zoom in. And if I scroll the mouse wheel down, I'm gonna zoom out, just like that. So press down the Alt key or Option on Mac, scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in, or scroll the mouse wheel down to zoom out. As simple as that, I can zoom out. That's my favorite way to navigate. Let me zoom in a little bit, like so. Then another important way to navigate is to use this tool, the hand tool. I'm gonna take this tool, or you can press down the spacebar. As you can see, the cursor is a hand icon. Now if I click and drag, I can move across the image. That's very useful. Keep holding the spacebar and click and drag to move through the image. It's important to keep that in mind. This is useful if you want to change quickly of area. Press down the spacebar to move across the image. Alright, it was the hand tool. Finally, let me show you a last thing about the navigation in Photoshop. If I go to the left in the toolbar and I double click on the hand tool, now I can see the entire image. This is super useful. Let's do a quick recap. If I press down the Alt key or Option on Mac, then scroll the mouse wheel up, I can zoom in. If I press down the spacebar, I take the hand tool so I can move across the image. Just keep that in mind. If I press down the Alt key or Option on Mac, then scroll the mouse wheel down, I can zoom out. Finally, if I double click on the hand tool, I can see the entire image. That's very useful. Voila, that's all for this lesson.